Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate AStream to your AEvent account. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account and then go to Integrations. Once here, let's click on Add Integration and then look for AStream by simply typing it in the search bar. When you click on the drop down, you can see here all the things or the actions that you can create with AStream. But for the purposes of this video, we will be adding the integration. So let's click on Add Integration. You can label it however you want. For this one, I'll just be putting in Queen. Just wait for it to load. And you have to allow access to your AStream account. So you just have to click on Continue. And we have successfully integrated AStream to our AEvent account. So next, let's test the connection. Look for AStream and then click on the test button. And we have successfully established a connection between AStream and AEvent. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.